Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
As you journey along Florida's coastal Highway 98 on St. James Island, you're traversing a region rich in history and natural beauty. Nestled in the Florida Panhandle, St. James Island is embraced by the Carabel, Crooked, and Ochlockonee rivers, with the serene St. George Sound to the south. This area has been cherished for centuries. In 1875, Dr. Fabius Bird founded the community of St. Teresa on the island, marking the beginning of its modern settlement. The island's lush landscapes and abundant waterways made it an ideal spot for early inhabitants and settlers alike. As you drive, you'll notice the entrance to Tate's Hell State Forest, a vast expanse of protected land that offers a glimpse into Florida's diverse ecosystems. The forest is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, providing opportunities for hiking, wildlife observation, and a peaceful retreat into nature. Continuing along Highway 98, the road closely follows the Gulf of Mexico, offering breathtaking views of the coastline. This scenic route is part of the Forgotten Coast, a moniker that reflects its unspoiled landscapes and the absence of overdevelopment. The drive showcases pristine marshlands, sugar-white beaches, and charming coastal communities that have retained their old Florida charm. This stretch of Highway 98 not only provides a scenic drive but also immerses you in the natural splendor and historical tapestry of Florida's Gulf Coast.
Thanks for watching!